Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
Dear Jim, I am more and more, after your teachings, in stillness, peace. I am observing every day more and more. And I feel that body or this film changes. My body feels more happy. So my question is, I am influencing or it just spontaneously happens?
Your consciousness is unmoving. Your consciousness is unchanging. Your consciousness is never born. Here, everything appears spontaneously. Everything disappears spontaneously. Everything moves spontaneously. Right from breathing, heartbeat, blood circulation, metabolic activities. Everything is spontaneous. The appearance and disappearance of the cosmos, universe, galaxies are spontaneous. Because in this space level duality, there's no reality. And everything just appears and disappears in no time at an unexplainable speed. Still, you give reality to the duality as you are yet to know your non-dual, unmoving richness beyond dream, beyond duality, beyond happening. You are asking whether everything happens spontaneously or you are influencing. You only observe. The world happens in your consciousness. You are not influencing anything. This influencing is at the personality level, at the effort level, at the movement level, at the identification level. Still you are identifying yourself to be a person, to be the form, to be the identifications. And this stillness is not spontaneous, it is ever present. You say you know the stillness within. Why not to settle in that stillness and observe silently? This stillness is beyond the appearances of the duality. In stillness, you remain relaxed, already free from the manifested duality. Out of the unmoving stillness, every moment happens. Out of the unmoving stillness, every object appears. Out of the unmoving stillness, every form happens just now. Just now, innumerable objects appear nowhere but in your consciousness. But you accept that your consciousness is within space at the form level. That's why this question. And I tell you that your consciousness is beyond space, beyond duality. To know your beyondness prior to duality, prior to form only, I am helping you to close your eyes. And in stillness, you remain peaceful, you remain joyful, you remain relaxed. And whatever that appear in stillness are not you. They are just movements. Whatever you experience within space at the duality level are not you. You only observe. You cannot influence anything here because you are already beyond space. And whatever that appears in space is also not you. In no way you are connected with the duality show, and you only observe the show. And you remain ignorant that you only observe the show. So frequently you identify the show and say that it is happening due to influencing. Do you influence the breathing to happen now? Do you influence the heartbeat to happen now? Do you influence the metabolic activities to happen now? They all just happen spontaneously. Since you are yet to know that you only observe, you want to influence the duality show, because still you accept yourself to be a person within duality. And I tell you to observe silently and to settle inwardly. Then only you can wake up. Where is the need for you to influence anything when everything just happens, appears and disappears spontaneously? Are you not the observer? Are you not conscious of your presence just now? In your conscious presence only everything is happening spontaneously, spontaneously, spontaneously. The duality itself is spontaneous happening. There is no person here to influence anything. Everything just happens out of the light of your consciousness. And every movement is by the elements. Every happening is by the elements. Every object is by the elements, including your form. Just now your form appears and disappears at an unexplainable speed due to the interaction of the elements in space, and your consciousness is beyond space. The elements happens out of your consciousness and it is reflected as innumerable objects in space. Know at least now that you only observe. Know at least now that you need to be wakeful inwardly. Know at least now that everything happens spontaneously. Know at least now that you can wake up by settling inwardly to know that you are never born and you are eternally here. Don't fall a prey to the experiences which are not you. Don't fall a prey to the happenings which are not you. Through constant identifications at the form level, at the identification level, at the movements level, you are unable to settle in your stillness. You get some experiences. I say your consciousness is prior to experiences. It is prior to movements. It is prior to changes. It is prior to appearances and disappearances. Just observe silently. Then only you come to know your original state, which is beyond identification, which is beyond duality, which is beyond manifested objects in space. Observe silently and wake up totally. That's the only possibility for you once you settle in stillness.